You could do it quietly. Hello, this is Rosa, RCG Creations. How you doing? I already pre-measured everything to save on time so I can stay in my 15-minute time frame. I've got, let me bring you up because I don't want to move everything. See that? I've got my egg, baking soda, sugar, flour, salt. We use pink Himalayan salt. Oops, sorry about that. Bring you back. Okay. Now we're going to mix everything together. Bear with me. I wipe my table, make sure it's clean and sanitized, which it is. So, and if you notice, I didn't make very much of a mess. I'm getting good. So, we're making banana cookies. We're going to mix it all up together. So let me just scramble my egg a little bit here. And making sure you're in frame. Here you are. Okay, so let's just mix it all up. I tend to like to mix all my dry ingredients and then add my liquid, but I'm running out of time. We're having a party today at the house, a little gathering, and I gotta hurry and get these things done. Get them in the oven, get them in the oven and out of the oven, and cool down. I think that's pretty much well mixed up. I sliced my bananas because I froze my bananas. And we're not going to get to it too fast. I freeze them so they're still good. And make sure you get really ripe bananas. Ripe means when they're almost black on the outside, but not totally black, but they're really very, very, very speckled. And then keep in mind, once you freeze them, you throw them out, you're going to have a little bit of extra water liquid, okay? So it's going to be a little extra watery, so if you have any liquid ingredients in your recipe, kind of push back some of that liquid because the liquid from the bananas are going to be in there. Okay, so that's pretty darn good, I think. So now let me pour the bananas in here. And of course, in the description box, we'll have the entire recipe. Dirty dishes out of here. Now, this is really easy to make, and they only bake for 15-20 minutes, so it doesn't take very long. Now I've made banana cookies, but I made them, I'll put a link in my video with my versatile cookie mix, but I wanted to try something different because I've had those many times. We like them. But you know, you just want to try different things because you may have a different recipe that you like that's better. And this is supposed to make about 12 cookies. So this is great for us. Because I'm not supposed to be having any cookies for my weight program, but I'm going to have one. I always get one bite or one little small piece of whatever sweet that I make. Or one cookie, and that's it. Well, I try to limit it to that. Sometimes I make it, most of the time, but not all the time. Okay. So we mix everything up together. Now we're going to drop them I'm going to be using a ice cream scooper. And they want about 2 or 3 inches apart, so that means that they're going to spread as they bake. And for cleanliness, I like to put parchment paper down. That's just what I do. For me, that's easier. I'll move my phone in case somebody calls. I have my phone handy. Okay, so let's start scooping. And because of the moisture of the banana, you notice let me give you the recipe. It's 1.5 cups of flour, 2 medium bananas, mashed, and you want them ripe. The riper they are, the sweeter they are. 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of butter that's melted, 1.5 cups of chopped walnuts. We're not going to do nuts because some people don't care for nuts. I love them, but he don't. 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white sugar. So I think I can get 3 on one of these. This is my biggest cookie sheet. I think I can do 3 fairly well. But I do want to make sure, like I said, space them 2 to 3 inches apart because they're going to spread as they bake. And there's only 12 cookies, so we should be okay with this one cookie sheet. But if I need to get another one, I'll get another one. And then there they are. I'm going to continue doing this. I'm going to put them in the oven and bake. Then we'll bring it back when we do the taste test. Okay, here we go. The cookies are done. They did spread, as you can see a little bit. And I'm gonna, excuse me, but I'm bringing a pop. It's pretty warm today here in Texas. I don't want to touch that because that's hot. Okay, these are sticking. Why are they sticking? Alrighty. They smell really good. Okay, I guess for some reason those stuck. But see, aren't those pretty? But I ended up getting more than 12. And of course it's all based on the size of scoop you have. And some of these are bigger than the others. This is going to go in the garbage. And because nothing touched my cookie sheet, just got a quick little wipe down and that's ready to roll. My oven's still hot. Let me get my other pop over. Because all I want to do is get them off the cookie sheet. Oops. I need a bigger island. Honey, I need a bigger island. He's right there. I bet you he's saying, so. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and they're sticking and I want to get them off before they cool down. Because the recipe did not say whether you need to let them cool before you take them off the cookie sheet. I do know some cookies you need to take them off right away, and some of them it says let them cool, then you take them off. So, and since I'm new to all this baking stuff, I don't know. If anybody knows, let me know. Please post it in the comments. I appreciate that. Okay, well, during the minute we'll find out how many we got. Because the recipe, again, like I said, did say I was going to make 12 cookies. And garbage that. Move this over here to cool off. My oven's, I literally just turned off the oven. But let's do a quick little taste test. Let's get the little baby ones. Ouch! I like the toasty ones. Let me bring you up so you can see. See that? Isn't that pretty? And see the back of it? But let's do the big thing. Who cares what it looks like? What does it taste like? Ooh. It's nice and moist inside. Mmm, mmm, mmm. 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.